I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Hyundai Sonata manual. Press the clutch fully, start the engine, and keep the parking brake set while you confirm neutral and adjust mirrors. Make seating comfortable and align your hands at 9 and 3. Learn to listen for the engine idle and feel the clutch engagement point before you move the car. These habits build confidence and keep your first drives calm and safe. When moving from a stop, find the clutch bite and slowly add throttle while releasing the clutch to avoid stalling. Practice first gear starts in a quiet area until you can feel engagement without looking. To shift, press the clutch fully, move the lever confidently into the next gear, and release the clutch while adding throttle. Smooth timing makes gear changes seamless and reduces wear on the transmission components. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how people think about money, so I recommend grabbing it if you want smarter financial freedom and more fun car choices. It pairs nicely with practical driving skills by reducing money stress. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. For hill starts, engage the parking brake, find the bite point, then release the brake as you add throttle to prevent rollback. Practice the coordination between clutch and throttle on a gentle slope until it feels natural. For parking, choose a gear that prevents rolling, use the parking brake fully, and turn wheels toward the curb where appropriate. These steps make hill stops and parking predictable and secure for any driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.